Hello my dear students, welcome to your science class. In our previous online class, we discussed some of the topics of chapter number 14, The Art, from Unit 6, Natural Phenomena. Now let us recall the topics that were discussed in the last online class. We discussed about the art, how the art is formed, and also the shape of the art. Today we will discuss the remaining topics of this chapter, which are movements of the art. There we will discuss about rotation and revolution of our art. Yes, so let's start the class with movements of the art. As we know that the art is moving all the time, right? That's why day and night occur. Yes. And our art, it shows two types of movements, rotation and revolution. What are they? We are going to learn that. Rotation. Okay. Have you seen a top spinning at its place as shown in this picture? It spins but remains at a same place. Right? A spinning top moves round and round at a place. And just like a spinning top, our art also moves round and round. Yes? The art spins about an imaginary line passing through its center. The imaginary line passing through the center of the art from North Pole to the South Pole is called the axis of the art. Yes? Here you have learnt a new term, right? Axis of the art. It is what? An imaginary line which passes through the center of the art from North Pole to the South Pole. And our art, it spins. Okay? About this imaginary line. Okay, see, this is the imaginary line passing through the center from North Pole to the South Pole. It is called axis, right? Axis of the art, and our art moves about this axis on a particular path. Yes. The spinning movement of the art on its axis is called rotation. Okay, so what is rotation? The spinning movement of our art on its axis is called rotation. Yes, and our art rotates from west to east. Yes, from west to east it rotates. Okay, that's why sun rises in the east. The art rotates on its axis all the time. It doesn't stop. It keeps on rotating. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That's why 24 hours makes a day. Yes? Now have you understood why one day comprises of 24 hours? As because our art takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation means completion of one day. The rotation of the art causes day and night. The part facing towards the sun has day, and the part facing which is not facing the sun has night. Yes? Now, here let's know more. The art is slightly flat at the North Pole and South Pole. As we know that our art is round in shape, but it is slightly flat in the North Pole and also where? At the South Pole. Okay, at North Pole and at South Pole, that means at both the poles, our art is slightly flat. That means it looks like an orange. Okay, now next, moving here, see, one experiment is given. What is the aim of this experiment? To show how days and nights are caused in the art. Okay. For this what we need? A globe, a torch, Okay, 2 stickers of red and black color. Yes, and how it can be done? Stick both stickers on opposite sides of the globe. Suppose one sticker if you stick here, and it should be, other one should be stick on the opposite of it. Place the globe on a table in a dark room. The room should be dark. Shine the torch on the side of the globe that has red sticker. This portion of the globe is receiving light. So it is daytime here as shown in this picture. Yes, and the portion of the globe opposite to the red sticker has night here. Day, night. Yes, and if you spin the globe slowly till the black sticker faces the torch. Okay, suppose the black sticker it was initially here, then slightly you move it here. Yes, then what will happen? Then what? The portion of the globe having the black sticker has daytime, as because it is facing the torch. Yes, and the other part of the globe will have night. Yes, so in this similar way, days and nights are caused on the earth. Yes, now you have known, yes, why days and nights are caused. Days and nights, okay, day and night causes because of the rotation of the earth. Now next, let us move to the next part. During rotation, the part of the earth that faces the sun has daytime, and the other part of the earth away from the sun has night. In this picture it is clearly shown, this part has night facing the sun, and it is not facing the sun, this part, so it has night. Yes, now moving to the next type of rotation of our earth, it is revolution. The earth also goes around the sun in a fixed path. The movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit is called revolution. Orbit means a particular path. This, okay, this particular path here it is shown, a oval shaped or whatever you say, it is orbit. The fixed path on which earth moves around the sun is called earth's orbit, and the earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution, and a revolution of the earth causes seasons. Okay, along with rotation, our earth also moves around the sun, and to complete one round, okay, around the sun, it takes 365 days, which is a year. And due to revolution, the changes in the seasons caused. Okay, so with this, the discussion of the chapter it is over. Let us memorize some terms related to this chapter. First one is astronauts, people who go into space. Next one, axis, an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth from North Pole to South Pole is called the axis of the earth. Third one, rotation, the spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. And revolution, the movement of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. Yes, next let us revise the chapter point wise. First point, the earth is home to plants, animals and human beings. The presence of air and water makes life possible on the earth. The earth is round like a ball. The earth shows two types of movement, rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and night, while revolution causes change in seasons. Yes, with this we are going to conclude today's class. Let us recall the topics that we discussed today. We discussed about movements of the earth. There we discussed about rotation of the earth and also about revolution of the earth. In our next class, question answers of this chapter will be discussed. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone.